This is DJI Air 3, and today I'll show how you can insert or eject an SD card on this drone. First, make sure that the SD card that you have is of micro type or micro format, right? Yeah, should be right. Yep, so micro SD. Then take your drone, look at its battery. Below it you'll find the charging port protection, so I want you to open it. And here below the charging port itself, you'll find the, slot for the memory card. Now position your SIM card like that and insert it. Push it all the way in until you'll hear the click sound. So I was wrong, position it like that, the contact point upwards, and then push it in. So I've heard the click, which means that SD card has been inserted. As you can see from here, SD card detected, switch storage location to SD card. Now, in order to eject an SD card, simply press it in, and it should pop right out. And once it does, simply pinch it with your fingers and take it out. As simple as that. So, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.